Today, I'd like to review a retirement savings plan in the United States called the 401k. Here's how it generally works. Employees who meet specific criteria, such as age and length of service, can participate in a 401k plan. Employees can contribute a portion of their salary to their 401k account on a pre-tax or after-tax basis. The maximum contribution limit is set by the IRS each year. Some employers also offer a matching contribution, contributing a certain percentage of the employee's salary to the 401k account. The plan typically offers a range of investment options, such as mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and target date funds. Employees can choose how to allocate their contributions among these options based on their risk tolerance and investment goals. The contributions to a traditional 401k plan are tax deferred, meaning the money is only taxed once it is withdrawn during retirement. This allows the contributions to grow tax-free over time. Contributions to a Roth 401k plan are made with after-tax dollars, but qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Some employers have a vesting schedule, which means that employees must work for a certain number of years before they are fully entitled to the employer's contributions to their 401k account. Vesting schedules vary by employer. Generally, 401k plan withdrawals are allowed once the employee reaches age 59 and a half. If withdrawals are made before this age, they may be subject to early withdrawal penalties and income taxes. Some exceptions exist for financial hardships or certain qualifying events. When an employee leaves a job, they can leave their funds in the existing plan, roll them over to an individual retirement account, IRA, or transfer them to a new employer's 401k plan. Upon reaching retirement age, the employee can start taking distributions from the 401k account, which are taxed as ordinary income. It's important to note that the specifics of a 401k plan can vary, depending on the employer and the plan's provisions. You should consult a financial advisor or review the plan documents for detailed information about a 401k retirement plan.